Why isn't your AI investment delivering on real ROI? You've launched the pilots, you've signed the budgets, maybe even rolled out ChatGPT across teams. But if the impact isn't landing, it is not a tech problem. It's culture lag, and it is quietly killing your results. And here's what I mean. Culture lag is the gap between how fast your tech is evolving and how slow your teams are shifting in how they think, how they lead and work. You've got change fatigue staff, siloed departments, and legacy mindsets trying to manage exponential tools. It's like trying to run a Formula One engine on horse and cart thinking. And the consequence? When culture lags, AI fails, and that is not a theory. 84% of AI initiatives fail to deliver on their intended promises and the value that they were supposed to bring. The pilot never scales, the quick win becomes a political nightmare, and the value is lost completely in translation. You don't need another tool. You need a mindset recalibration at the highest leadership level and fast. My name is Raya E.A, and I work with executives, teams, boards, and high-growth companies who are ready to lead from the future and not get blindsided by it. In my keynote, The Mindset of 2050, I walk leaders through a structured roadmap to close the culture gap so that your teams don't just adapt to AI, they accelerate with it. So if you're a chief revenue officer, head of people, or the one responsible for scaling transformation in your organization, this message is for you. Let's have a conversation. You can book me to speak at your next event, or you can bring the Mindset of 2050 keynote for your next leadership offsite, your next client summit, or board retreat. The link is below, and the time is now. It's time to reverse engineer your ROI, and it starts with mindset. More videos are on the way, but this one needed to be said now. I'm Raya E.A, and this is 2050 Expert. If this message resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe. We have a whole lot more to drop, and I'll see you in the future.